say sorry, He will hear. If I make a small mistake, I say astaghfirullah for His sake. He forgives me every day when I repent and softly pray. Allah loves a heart that's true. Rahim is kind to me and you. So I smile and do what's right. Allah's mercy